if trading is taken away from me, what will I do? So, for the longest time, the formula has been very simple, di ba? Work hard, tapos you become a consistently profitable trader, compound your capital, and eventually you make good money, no? Pero naisip ko, what if trading is taken away from me? No? Actually, it crossed my mind kasi 'di ba recently the SEC has been very active in sending warnings, no? Even to very reputable and internationally licensed brokers, no? Even me, nasa radar ako ng SEC. And, there's nothing wrong with that. They're doing their job. Wala naman talagang local license for brokers here in the Philippines. But that made me stop and think. Okay? If trading is taken away from me, anong matitira? Diba? What career would I have? How would I provide for my family? Okay? And I'm sure that hindi lang ako yung nag-iisip niyan. Probably it also crossed your mind. Maybe not in trading, but in your own career or sa sarili nyong negosyo. No? If it's taken away from you, are you diversified enough to survive it? Okay? So over the past few years, I've invested in several businesses. Some worked, but many actually failed. So I'll probably share those lessons in a separate video. Okay? But I guess that's my answer, no? Dun sa tanong natin kanina, no? Together with trading, no, trading will always be part of my life. I love doing it, no? I'll trade every day if I can. If you want to join me, we can trade together, no? I can teach you how to do it. Walang problema yon, no? And moving forward, no, I'll also invest time, effort, no, energy, no, and capital sa mga iba't ibang negosyo. So probably I'll get to interview a lot of different businessmen, no, in different industries. I hope it's gonna be fun. I hope we get to learn a lot of things, no, moving forward. So this is gonna be a very new journey for me, and I'd like to invite you to join me here, no. Sana marami tayong matutunan. We'll discover a lot of new ventures, new things. Okay. So yeah, let me ask you, kayo po, if your current career or business disappears tomorrow, what's gonna be your backup plan? So, sagot po sa comments.